Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Often, mothballs are used in these locations to control pests other than clothes moths, Stone said. They include squirrels, skunks, deer, mice, rats, dogs, cats, raccoons, moles, snakes, pigeons and a variety of other animals. Any such use is illegal.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Use mothballs to repel mice from garage or shed. Don't let mice spend their winter vacation in your garage. Place a few mothballs around the garage, and the mice will seek other quarters. To keep mice out of our potting shed, put the mothballs around the base of wrapped or covered plants.
Take our lead.
Mothballs should not be placed in closets, attics, basements, storage chests or trunks, garment bags or other spaces other than in tightly closed containers as explained above. Gases from the mothballs escape into the air and can cause respiratory problems.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Mothballs are known for their ability to kill moths, eggs and larvae, but they also do well to ward off mice, snakes and spiders. With mothballs in the appropriate location, you can keep spiders away for as long as 6 months.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Because mothballs are pesticides, they are regulated by the Environmental Protection Agency, and use of the products in any manner not in accordance with the product's label is illegal. Using mothballs outside to repel snakes or to keep animals out of gardens can harm children, pets, or other wildlife.
Take our lead.
Cats are more sensitive to their toxic effects, but dogs are more likely to ingest mothballs. Long-term exposure to mothball fumes can also harm pets and people. Ingestion of naphthalene mothballs can cause anemia, lethargy, vomiting, and sometimes kidney or liver damage.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
You can't teach cats to respect humans' personal property, but electronic deterrents and some plants and herbs can keep them away from off-limits areas without harming them. However, while mothballs work as a cat repellent, they're toxic to cats, other animals and birds.
Take our lead.
Children are at risk of eating mothballs because the product looks like candy, Health Canada said in its release. The rules will also restrict the use of mothballs to indoor uses and then only in airtight containers. Mothball manufacturers have until September 2013 to meet the new requirements.
Take our lead.
How long does it take for mothballs to dissipate? One mothball in open air takes 3 to 6 months to dissipate entirely. If you place the mothball underneath clothing or otherwise not in open air, it will take up to 12 months to completely dissipate.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.